Welcome to Clover Cure. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might just change the way you think about your health. Using papaya seeds for detoxification and digestion. You may have enjoyed the sweet, juicy flesh of the papaya, but did you know that the seeds are packed with incredible health benefits? These tiny black seeds are often overlooked, yet they hold powerful detoxifying properties that can support your digestive system and overall well-being. Papaya seeds contain enzymes like papain, which aid in breaking down proteins and improving digestion. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with bloating or irregular bowel movements. Additionally, these seeds are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, making them a great ally in detoxifying your body. By incorporating papaya seeds into your diet, you can help eliminate toxins and promote a healthier gut environment. In a world where synthetic medications are often the go-to solution for health issues, it's essential to highlight the importance of natural remedies. Nature has provided us with a plethora of options to maintain our health, and papaya seeds are a prime example. They offer a holistic approach to wellness, allowing you to nourish your body without the side effects that often accompany pharmaceutical solutions. Now let's talk about the superfood aspect of papaya seeds. While many people are familiar with popular superfoods like kale and quinoa, papaya seeds often fly under the radar. This lesser-known superfood is not only versatile, but also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or consume them raw, papaya seeds can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. So, are you ready to explore the detoxifying benefits of this amazing seed? Let's get started. Papaya seeds are often dismissed as waste, but they are a treasure trove of nutrients that can significantly enhance your health. These small, round seeds are not only edible, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that contribute to detoxification and digestive health. One of the standout components of papaya seeds is their high content of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. In terms of vitamins, papaya seeds are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system and promoting skin health. They also contain B vitamins, including folate and riboflavin, which are essential for energy metabolism and overall cellular function. When it comes to minerals, papaya seeds provide a good source of magnesium, potassium, and calcium, all of which are vital for maintaining healthy bodily functions. One of the most notable enzymes found in papaya seeds is papain. This enzyme aids in the digestion of proteins, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. By enhancing digestive efficiency, papain can help alleviate issues like bloating and constipation, contributing to a healthier gut. Scientific studies have begun to shed light on the health benefits of papaya seeds. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted the seed's potential in reducing inflammation and supporting liver health, both of which are crucial for effective detoxification. Another study indicated that papaya seeds possess antimicrobial properties, which can help in fighting off harmful bacteria in the gut. Incorporating papaya seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to harness their nutritional benefits. Whether you consume them raw, blend them into smoothies, or sprinkle them on salads, these seeds can play a significant role in promoting detoxification and enhancing digestive health. So, why not give them a try? Your body will thank you. If you're ready to unlock the health benefits of papaya seeds, the first step is learning how to properly prepare them for consumption. Extracting seeds from a ripe papaya is a straightforward process. Start by selecting a ripe papaya, which should have a yellowish skin and yield slightly when pressed. Cut the papaya in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds using a spoon. You'll notice that the seeds are surrounded by a gelatinous substance. This is normal and can be removed later. Once you've extracted the seeds, it's essential to clean them thoroughly. Rinse the seeds under cold water to remove any remaining pulp. This step is crucial, as leftover fruit can lead to spoilage. After rinsing, spread the seeds out on a clean kitchen towel or paper towel to dry. Allow them to air dry for a few hours, or you can speed up the process by placing them in a dehydrator or an oven set to a low temperature. Make sure they are completely dry before storing them to prevent mold growth. When it comes to incorporating papaya seeds into your meals or drinks, the options are endless. One popular method is to blend the seeds into smoothies. Their slightly peppery flavor adds a unique twist to fruit blends. You can also sprinkle crushed seeds over salads for an added crunch and nutritional boost. If you're feeling adventurous, try grinding the seeds into a powder and using them as a seasoning for meats or vegetables. Another great way to enjoy papaya seeds is by adding them to homemade salad dressings or marinades. Their distinct flavor can enhance the taste of your dishes while providing a wealth of health benefits. With these simple preparation tips, you can easily incorporate papaya seeds into your diet and enjoy their detoxifying and digestive properties. One of the simplest ways to enjoy papaya seeds is by adding them to smoothies. For a refreshing detox smoothie, blend together 1 ripe banana, a cup of spinach, half a cup of pineapple, and a tablespoon of fresh papaya seeds. The seeds add a unique peppery flavor while boosting the nutritional profile of your drink. Another delicious option is to create a salad. Toss together mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado. Then sprinkle a tablespoon of crushed papaya seeds on top. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. The seeds not only enhance the flavor, but also provide a satisfying crunch. If you prefer a more straightforward approach, you can consume papaya seeds raw. Simply chew on a teaspoon of seeds for a quick health boost. Their slightly spicy taste can be an acquired flavor, but many find it refreshing. Alternatively, you can grind the seeds into a fine powder using a spice grinder. This powdered form can be easily added to various dishes, such as soups, stews, or even baked goods, giving them a nutritional upgrade. Don't hesitate to experiment with different culinary uses for papaya seeds. Try incorporating them into homemade dressings, marinades, or even as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Their unique flavor can complement a wide range of dishes, making them a fun ingredient to play with in the kitchen. By exploring these various methods, you can enjoy the detoxifying and digestive benefits of papaya seeds while enhancing the taste of your meals. So get creative and start incorporating this superfood into your diet today. While papaya seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions when incorporating them into your diet. First and foremost, moderation is key. The recommended serving size for papaya seeds is typically about 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. Consuming them in excess may lead to digestive discomfort, including bloating or diarrhea, due to their high fiber content and the presence of certain enzymes. Additionally, individuals with specific health conditions or those taking certain medications should exercise caution. For example, papaya seeds contain compounds that may affect blood sugar levels, so individuals with diabetes or those on blood sugar-lowering medications should consult their healthcare provider before adding them to their diet. Similarly, pregnant or breastfeeding women are advised to avoid papaya seeds, as they may have effects on uterine contractions and could potentially lead to complications. Another important consideration is that papaya seeds can interact with certain medications, particularly anticoagulants or blood thinners. If you are taking medications that affect blood clotting, it's crucial to discuss the use of papaya seeds with your healthcare professional to avoid any adverse interactions. We hope you found this information valuable. If you're excited to try papaya seeds or have already incorporated them into your meals, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Your feedback and stories can help others on their health journey as well. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural health tips and remedies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting the like button, you help us reach more viewers who are looking for ways to improve their health naturally. And feel free to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from the incredible properties of papaya seeds. Together, we can spread the word about the power of natural remedies and inspire healthier lifestyles. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.